Welcome, bosses. How are you doing? I'm Murthy Hazel. This is Boss Moves 2.0. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new, welcome. If you're returning, hello. How you doing? I'm excited to see you today. You do not want to miss a minute of this video. I want you to stay to the end. This video is just going to talk a little bit about SEO. You don't forget we're growing together. We're growing together and we want to work well. We want to marry what we're doing in our videos to the YouTube algorithm. SEO is so important. What does it mean? Search engine optimization. I'm going to tell you a little bit more about that on the inside. All right, see you then. All right. All right. Thanks again, you guys, for tuning in. And welcome again to Boss Moves 2.0. Excited that you joined me today. I've been waiting for you. I'm excited about what we got going on. Today, before I get started, listen, don't forget to like, don't forget to comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I am excited about what's going on our channel. We're growing like crazy. We've been posting, we've been sharing, we've been emailing, and it's catching on. We've gotten connected to the YouTube algorithm somehow. Sometimes I feel like we've stumbled up on it, but we're working with some awesome people too, and they're helping us out, and we're talking, we're listening, we're doing our classes in the Creator Studio YouTube office it for free. Link down below. Make sure you go there. Also connected with TubeBuddy. Link down below. Helps you. It gives you the analytics. It gives you real time what's going on in your back office. It's training you. Okay, so what is SEO? Search engine optimization. Search engine optimization means we're figuring out what the search engines are looking for so that we can give them what they're looking for. Now, how do we give them what they're looking for? And I know this is in another video, probably here. Take a look at it. It's tags, titles, description, thumbnails. Oh my. That's that video that talks about those things in a greater detail. Now, some people are saying that tags doesn't matter as much, but I say if it's not broke, don't fix it. If it's working for you, keep working it. So please, you can have about 500 characters. Utilize every tag you can. Just don't go over the 500. In the YouTube studio, you'll see exactly what I'm talking about, where you list your tags. If you haven't downloaded your YouTube studio and you're a growing YouTuber, please download it. And it's a lot of help and little question balls that you could push on that could help you through educating yourself in the YouTube studio. But in the back, when you do your title, always, and the video will tell you, always do your title in capital letters. Then your description, this should start with what your title says. Okay, search engine optimization, that kind of connects the two. Oh, they're thinking the same, and then give a great, not a good, but give a great description about what your video is going to be about. And if mine, in most cases, are self-help. Right now, I'm really kneeling in deep on growing my channel. So I'm just telling you some of the things that I'm learning as I'm educating myself and I'm sharing with you. But some of my other self-help is going to be for teens, men, women. Look forward to future videos that are coming forward. I'm going to do some versus challenges. But I'm going to do that because that's part of my self-help bend. Consulting is that I'm going to be doing some lives, and I want you to be a part of the lives. My future goal, short-term goal, is to start doing a weekly live, okay? A weekly live. And I want to go live just to educate not only some of my subscribers, but anybody that would like to tune in and learn more about being a great YouTuber and a great creator, how to do that and how to get through the field of minds, as it were, so that you can get your 1,000 or more subscribers and your 4,000 watched hours, which is a requirement, not the only requirement, but one of the requirements to be monetized with YouTube. And that's all of our goal. Okay, so once you get the title right, you get your description, and don't forget the first part of your description should be your title. Then you fill out a good, equitable synopsis, a small paragraph of your video, what it's going to be about. Then when you get to your tags, the first tag you write should be the title of your video. And then push enter, and it automatically creates a tag. Automatically creates a tag for your video. So I'm telling you, we're getting everything working well together. And then the search engines like that, and you keep repeating that. And if you're part of TubeBuddy, once you actually go live with your video and make it public, you'll actually see what your SEO score is immediately. And if it's below 40, you need to work on it. Get it back up. Figure out what you're doing and get those things right so that your YouTube channel could get some exposure. I'm doing like something like 93% of my referrals are coming directly from YouTube because I'm connecting the dots concerning the SEO. Now, will every video rank number one? Who knows? That's why we're going to go in. But you could be close. You could be in line. You could be in the filtration of playlist of videos if you do the right thing. Now, I'm going to go switch to go inside my computer and show you a few things. And then I'll be right back with you. Now, that was something really good. But understand, everybody won't rank number one, but our aspiration and our goals are to rank number one. Am I right? We want to rank number one, or as close to number one as possible. Number one gets the trophy. I mean, first, second, third prize. Second prize, honorable mention, maybe a smaller prize. Third prize, honorable mention for sure, and a good certificate and a smile with the judges. But you want to go for the guns. Big guns are going for number one. So we're mapping out our plan to get where we need to be to become number one. You want to be number one. On the search engines, you want to be number one throughout your process. You're working toward it. So good, better, best. Never let it rest till your good becomes better, your better becomes best. So you want to become the best at what you do. You want to be the go-to person. You're working toward that. So you're getting your search engine optimization right, working together. I trust this video has helped you. More things are coming forward. Don't forget our membership drive. Giveaway. And I'm posting a video. If it's not already posted, look for the video about the giveaway. I want you to participate. Understand what the rules are. That was something really good. But understand, everybody won't rank number one, but our aspiration and our goals are to rank number one. Am I right? We want to rank number one, or as close to number one as possible. Number one gets the trophy. I mean, first, second, third prize. Second prize, honorable mention, maybe a smaller prize. Third prize, honorable mention for sure, and a good certificate and a smile with the judges. But you want to go for the guns. Big guns are going for number one. So we're mapping out our plan to get where we need to be to become number one. You want to be number one. On the search engines, you want to be number one throughout your process. You're working toward it. So Good, better, best. Never let it rest till your good becomes better, your better becomes best. So you want to become the best at what you do. You want to be the go-to person. You're working toward that. So you're getting your search engine optimization right, working together. I trust this video has helped you. More things are coming forward. Don't forget our membership drive giveaway, the giveaway, the giveaway. And I'm posting a video. If it's not already posted, look for the video about the giveaway. I want you to participate. Understand what the rules are, and I'll see you. Don't forget to love yourself. Don't forget to love yourself and love somebody else. Listen, keep pushing. You're born to win, built to last. You're going to make it through this. You're going to grow your channel, and you're going to be just fine. Toodle. Don't forget to holler back. Oh, I enjoy you guys so much. Have a wonderful day. Keep smiling. Before I get started, like and share.